Alright, welcome to factoring video number 2, factoring basic trinomial. So if you look at this, we have a trinomial, n squared, one term, 4n, second term, negative 32, the third term. To factor this, we've got to recognize that this is a basic trinomial because the a is equal to 1. That means it's a basic trinomial, and a trinomial factors usually, not always, but usually becomes a binomial. So we break it down into those two parentheses there. And then what we use is what people traditionally or sometimes like to call the X box. Boom, you draw your big X. And on top, we notice that in a trinomial that the C, the factors of C become our factors in the binomial. So what that means is what we have is the negative 32 and the 4 give us the two factors in the binomial. The two factors must multiply to become negative 32, and they must add to be positive 4. So there's always that pattern in a basic trinomial. The C is the multiplication result, and the B is the addition result. So we got to find two numbers that multiply to C and add to B, and that always happens in a basic trinomial. So we think about that, and we figure out to use all the terms that we can, or numbers that we can, and you find out that positive 8 and negative 4 are the ones that work. So it's almost like a lock. There's going to be a key, one key that works. In this case, there's one pair that works, positive 8 and negative 4. Negative 8 and positive 4 wouldn't work because it gets you two different numbers. Well, it gets you a different addition number. All right, so now we take those two numbers and place those X box numbers into our factors. So n plus 8 is one factor, and n minus 4 is the other factor. All right, that's how we do our basic factoring. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.